How to buy book of Binance token. So this token came under the symbol of book. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. So the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So as you can see here, this token is trending number 2 right now in the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Binance Smart Chain. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. I will just log into my wallet. So after that, what you need to do, click here and select the BNB chain first as a network. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token that you just added. So this is it. Click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you will receive of that token. Now after that, click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a BUG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.